This is my box. Alright, this is day 2 because this thing broke down yesterday. So I got the new clothes on, but let's continue with the video. See here, this is what you call a race car. I got the VTEC. That dude could have went right on red that entire time, wasting my time. You can't park there! So, I hit this thing. It don't look too pretty. That's alright. We'll just forget about that for now. Alright. She's a Honda. She can take anything. You know, you got the white painted hubcaps that took me about 6 minutes with spray paint. It's a little dirty. Don't look at my license plate, but she's slanted, more aerodynamics. So this has been my car, and I'm out.
Wait a minute. Is that important?